so excited because today is Grand Canyon Day. So let's go. First stop on our Grand Canyon tour is the Las Vegas sign. That was a surprise, it's actually not meant to be on the tour. So our coach picked us up, we headed straight to the Las Vegas sign, which as I said was a surprise, took some pictures, and then we headed straight to the Omelette House. This was arranged as part of our tour for us to stop off and have breakfast. That's because it was a 6 a.m. start on this tour. I had some banana bread and some oatmeal, and then we saw the sights as we headed towards the Grand Canyon. On the way, we saw the Joshua trees, which are really unique because they only grow in this area of the world, and they are super, super old. Some of these trees that you see here are over 500 years old. They grow so, so slowly. It was about a 2-hour drive to the Grand Canyon, and as soon as we got there, we headed in to do the skywalk.
But you're the spark to blame, and it's fire.
So we did the skywalk. It was so cool. I'm going to insert our little picture here. But it was amazing. You're not allowed to take any personal belongings, so cameras, phones, anything. So we had to take all of that off on the skywalk, and it's like, it's not even scary. It's just really cool to see the canyon from that point of view. But we're off to the next stop now. I want to be very careful where I'm walking as I'm vlogging, so I'm going to stand still every time I vlog because some of these edges are crazy. When you're close to the edge, because you feel fine, and then you just suddenly have this moment of like, oh god. So yeah, we're about to go and climb this. It's actually quite easy to climb up, but I've seen people going down. It looks a little bit more risky going down. But I don't even think you can comprehend on video just how high up we are. Like, it's just one of those things. Actually, even when you're here, you can't comprehend it because it just seems surreal. And the Grand Canyon, Ads?
Love it. It's a great place to come.
There's your tourist advice from Adam. Yeah, really amazing. Very hot. I'm going to go and check out the jewellery, and then we'll get back on the coach and go and see the Hoover Dam. Next stop is the Hoover Dam. When I say it's hot, like next level hot. through because I've just had a warning. My phone is so hot, it won't record video. That's from being outside for about 2 minutes. Guys, it is our last night in Vegas. We're off out for a little date night dinner tonight. I'll show you the restaurant we're gonna go to.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's...
So, last morning in Vegas, we're just having a little walk around. This is actually crazy because this is inside. Look at the sky. This is the thing with the Venetian, because it's all set in Venice, everything's themed. You've got the gondola ride that goes through the middle of the hotel, but we're just having a final walk around with our smoothies before getting on a plane to go. But Vegas, you've been amazing. We'll be back out.